Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about how to install TensorFlow in Python. So first, if you have already installed Python, you can skip the installation of the Python steps and directly go to the TensorFlow installation point. So first let us check Python is installed in my system or not. So just go to your command prompt and type Python space hyphen version and click enter, and you can see the Python is not installed in my PC. So in my case I'm going to use Python 3.8. so just you can use this link to download the Python 3.8, and I'm just downloading in the desktop, and you can see the Python 3.8 is downloaded, which is around 26.2 MB. So just double click it, and now here you can see the install Python 3.8 setup. So here the important two steps are just you need to add Python 3.8 to path. So default it will not be checked. Now you need to check this. You can click this and click the checkbox. So in case if you're not adding that, you need to add the path manually. So to avoid that, just click this, so it will easily add the Python 3.8 to the path file. And next you can see the install now option, which includes idle, pip, documentation, etc. So to check that, you can just click this customize installation, where you can see all the things are being checked. So the important thing is pip. So once if you wanted to install the libraries or module, Python module, so you need to have this pip. So we all know that installer. So just check that all the things are being checked, and then click next, and you can select whichever options you needed, and then you can see the location where it is going to be installed, and then click the install. So click yes. So now you can see the setup was successful message, and you can just click this close. And now let me go to the command prompt again and type Python space hyphen version and click enter. Now you can see the Python is installed, and you can see the version which I have installed as Python 3.8.0. so now let us go to the installation of the TensorFlow. So just go to the Python idle Python, and just type the command import TensorFlow and click enter, and you can see the message module not found, error, no module name TensorFlow. So now we need to, so from this we can know that TensorFlow is not installed in your PC. As you know, just now I installed Python. So to check whether the TensorFlow is already available in your PC or not, you can use this command. For the purpose I have shown you that. So now let me close this idle, and now let me install the TensorFlow. So if you just give the command pip install TensorFlow, it will install the latest version of the TensorFlow. But while executing the project, so whichever the version they have used, you need to use the exact version of the TensorFlow, so that there will not be any errors or the conflict. So in my case I'm going to use this TensorFlow 2.9.1. so just I'm going to use this command. So just go to the command prompt. Now paste the command pip install TensorFlow equal to 2.9.1. so I'm going to install the TensorFlow version 2.9.1. so whichever the version you wanted, you can just change it here, replace it. Or if you don't know about the versions and if you wanted the latest one, just give the command pip install TensorFlow. Now in our case we will install 2.9.1. just click enter. So, and you know that in this installation of the TensorFlow or any Python libraries, you need to have active internet connection, because it will be downloading the required files or packages from the internet. So you should have some active internet connection to do that. So now you can see it is collecting the required files one by one. So now you can see Here after collecting the required files, you can see it is showing the message in installing collected packages, and after few minutes you can see they successfully installed packages. So what all the required packages for this TensorFlow, it is being done. Here you can see the TensorFlow 2.9.1 is also installed in it. So to verify it, so just go to the idle again. Now just type the same command which we have done it, that is import TensorFlow, and click enter. So now you can see there is some error in it, which means that import error DLL load failed while importing. So such kind of error is being shown. This is due to that we have not installed VC++ in our system. So let me close this and just go to the link that is given here, where you can find the Microsoft VC++. Here just download this x64 option, just click this. So here I'm just downloading in the desktop. So this is the file that I have downloaded, VC redistribution x64, which is around 24.3 MB. So just double click it, just click this I agree the agreement license terms and conditions, and click this install option, click yes. And now you can see the setup is successful, but you need to restart your computer before you can use this software. So I'm just restarting my PC now. So now I have restarted my PC. So now let me go to the idle again and just type the command import TensorFlow and click enter. And now you can see there is no any error message. It is entered into the module, which means that TensorFlow is installed successfully in our case. So just you can go to the command prompt and you can just type pip list. You can see what are all the packages that is being installed in your PC. So where you can see the TensorFlow 2.9.1 is being installed in it. So you can see other libraries also whichever is installed in your PC in this. So where you can find the Keras is also installed while installing TensorFlow, and you can see our required TensorFlow 2.9.1 is also being installed. So in this way you can install the TensorFlow without any errors, and thank you for watching.